before this video start, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like it and share. Share, don't forget now. Go ahead and do it now while y'all looking at me, while y'all listening to me talk. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button so I can start getting notarized. Monetized, I mean. You know what I mean. Monetized. Look at that big boy. Tell them subscribe. Pretty boy, say subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Don't just be watching. Go ahead and subscribe since y'all watching. Ain't that right? Y'all watching for a reason because y'all like the video. So go ahead and subscribe. Alright, y'all. Let me get this video started. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Big J Bullies. And guess what today is? Today is worming day. I'm gonna show y'all how I worm my dogs. Well, I'm just worm pretty, but on camera and show y'all. I'm gonna do all the other dogs later. Just wanna show y'all how to do it. Look, quick, simple video. Let me see if I can turn it down the camera. Hope y'all can see my face. I hope not. I ain't trying. I don't want y'all to see it. I'm ratchet, right? Got do-rag on all that crazy shit. Y'all, there go a dog over there. Ain't looking pretty, but getting big as shit. Look at him compared to everybody else. And he ain't even one yet. He's just 8 months, or 7 months, or 8 months. You gotta look at paperwork. There go Tristan. Pretty boy be playing, hey. Dude, why you eating grass? Come on. Pretty boy be playing, hey. So, every time I call the dog over that road, he gotta get rubbed too. Pretty boy, come here, boy. Hey, y'all, let me get the worm mess so I can get this shit over with. Y'all see, it's a beautiful day outside. I ain't even cold for it. I got on a jacket. Alright. Y'all check out my whipping area. I've been to redo it though. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so what I plan on doing is I'm gonna cover up this window with the white fan in it. I'm gonna remove the black fan and put an air conditioner in there. I'm gonna just cover that hole up right there. I'm gonna put an air conditioner over there. I'm gonna take this whole side off. And there's gonna be a storage area for the dogs. I'm gonna take the lawnmower out. There's gonna be dog food, my hay, a little puppy basket. And this side gonna be open up. It's gonna be open, you just walk in. And I'll make this side longer. Make this side longer, gonna come out to about right here. Yeah, I'm to have one weapon area. The rest is gonna be storage for the dogs. And I'm gonna bring my shelf, bring it over here. And this is where I keep my collars and stuff at. As you can see, my collars ain't up here right now. They kind of came down. Big head, so shit gonna be sweet when I get done with it. I just feel like changing. I like this. I like to stay busy, so this one thing that keep me busy. That's why I breathe, so it keep me busy. Alright, back to the worming medicine though. Keep all my worming medicine up here. Light bugs, shit, everybody got to finish cleaning up. But this is what I use. Heart Guard Plus. See this? You get this from the vet. You have to get it prescribed at the vet. Because you just can't get any dog this. See that pretty boy? He got his name on it. It expires. Dang, I ain't know that air person did something. But, yeah. Get this from the vet. Heart Guard Plus. It protect your dog from heartworms, tapeworm, roundworms, and hookworms. This is the only medicine that I know that protect dogs from heartworms. Heart Guard Plus. This is I think this is a 30 to 50 pound dose for dog 30 to 50 pounds, which is pretty well. He might be a little bit over 50, but we want to get him this shit anyway. Until I get some more, I gotta get a bigger dosage. But hey, Heart Guard Plus, y'all. And I also told my vet that my vet taught me a lesson. She said you can always give your dog too much and won't hurt them, but if you give them too less, it will hurt them because it will still have worms. They will still have worms inside. But you can never give your dog too much worm medicine. You never could give them too much more worm medicine. God, I'm an AI kid and shit. Man. Eye drops. I know when last time I had a fucking litter, bro. This shit been a year, like 2019. End of 2019. I mean, the whole year without having a litter. But I ain't tripped though. You ain't gotta have a puppy. I just like doing what I do. You feel me? It's a hobby. But let me get this shit Pretty Boy. He love it. They love it. So I'm gonna have to separate Pretty Boy because all the dogs think it's just a treat. And everybody be wanting it. They try to fight over it. So I got to kind of separate them. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Alright, everybody. Here, Pretty Boy. Look at his head, boy. Look at that boy head, boy. Y'all see it? Ooh, yeah, he do know how to jump a little bit of that fence. A little bit of that fence is for puppies, but y'all give me a worm medicine so I gotta give me a worm medicine, so I had to separate them so they won't fight over it. Yeah, he can't jump though. I need to hurry my ass up. He like, man, bro, I want to go over there and play. Yeah. Hey! Look at that. She humped her head like she in heat. She humped it like she in heat. Hey, look, that your head got stuck. Chill out. Look. I think somebody get ready to come heat. One of them. Alright, so hold on, y'all. I gotta break the medicine up because you want them to take every piece of it. So I break it. What I do is break it up in two. Well, shut up. Boy, you get bad, boy. House Blue Kennels, where I got it from, y'all. He got puppies on the ground now, Tyrone house. Don't sleep. All right, y'all, see that? I'm breaking the medicine up. See, I broke it up in two. All right. So you eat it like a treat. It's like a treat to him, y'all. He love it. And that's all you do. Easy as ever. You ain't got missing none of that crazy, man. Just give it to him. He love it. All right. Let's just look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. Look at that chest. He said, wait till he turn 1, 2, 3 years old. What's he just start popping? Pretty much say hey. Yeah. Say hey, pretty much. I should have clipped the ear, y'all, bet my vet wasn't doing it at the time because of coronavirus. He's a big baby. Then the kids love him. Kids, he don't knock the kids over there. Look how big he is. I'm gonna show y'all the video with you later. I'm gonna start posting more videos more because I feel like I've been slacking. Oh! Go ahead while y'all watching, go ahead, subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share the video. Go ahead and do that now. Look at that big boy. I just had to show him on. By the time he had to get a bath. It's a perfect day to bathe too. It's warm outside, everything, man. It's a perfect day to right. Shut up. Alright, y'all, that's it. I gotta go clean this shit up. Yeah. Clean your goddamn tunnels up. So I get my day started. Alright, that's all I got for y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Peace. Say bye. Say peace. Alright, yeah.